Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This is another of my short stories from the book I'm writing called Dark. In any case, this story is called Teardown. Ever more often they cast me as the evil or goofy guy foiled by superior women. In my previous role, I literally played a monkey, complete with grunting while beating my chest. The metaphor was that I'm a mindless conformist, monkey see, monkey do. In contrast, my female counterparts were insightful, bold, preternaturally spunky. In my current role, I'm a sleazebag guy, manipulating 3 women to think I'm engaged to all 3. Of course, they, with the help of a beleaguered female housekeeper, triumph over me, reducing me to a whimpering moron. The play was a full 2 hours long, and we all gave our hearts out, far beyond just memorizing our lines. We milked our roles for maximum laughs and pathos. I thought I played my idiotic role well, being as appropriate sleazy, befuddled, or hysterical. Yet, after the curtain fell, everyone was so matter-of-fact. We had just completed a successful run. Were they really all so blasé, or were they still acting? They maintained their polite but flat affect throughout the 2 hours it took for us to tear down the set. One of the myriad unglamorous parts of being an actor. In any case, when I finally got back to my car, I swore, no more acting. Of course, I've said that the last 10 times. In any event, that story is called Teardown. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel, and would welcome you taking a look at my book of short stories called Soloists, Stories of Introverts and Outsiders Facing a Dilemma. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.